Today on Glory and Beauty, I'm going to show you how to single crochet through the back loop only. I'll also show you how to make this swatch. To get started, let's make a slip knot and place it on our hook. For single crochet through the back loop, you can use any number of chains. For my swatch, I'm going to use 15. Insert your hook in the second chain from your hook and single crochet. You'll place one single crochet in each chain across the entire row. When you get to the end of your row, we'll chain one and turn our swatch. Turn your work so you can see the V's and find that first stitch. Normally, we would insert our hook and catch both loops. However, to single crochet through the back loop, we're going to insert our hook in the middle of the V, catching only the back loop. And we'll yarn over, pull up our loop, then yarn over and pull through both loops on our hook to complete our first single crochet of this row. Again, in the next stitch, let's insert our hook in the middle of the V, catching only that back loop. Then yarn over and single crochet. One more time. Let's insert our hook into the next stitch, right in the middle of the V, catching only that back loop. Then we'll pull up our loop and single crochet. You'll continue down the row, single crocheting through the back loop only of each stitch. And to make your swatch, you'll repeat row 2 until you reach your desired length. And there it is, single crochet through the back loop only. Go make some ribbing or a cute wrist cuff. The options are literally endless with this fun and easy stitch. Until next time, keep making things for glory and for beauty.